Well, this has been a very exciting 5 weeks, and I am very happy to tell everyone that I have learned a lot, which is always an exciting thing. So we started out with learning how to make board games, and then we went on to storytelling. This is the story that I chose, and so I learned how to use storyboard that for the very first time. It's simple and not so simple. I think that if I used it more, I could probably learn more, but at least I had a start at it. I especially liked the feature that automatically puts the picture attributions at the end, which is a time saver. Then we went on to week 3, and we were doing CLIL and action songs. I chose the water cycle. And this was a fun activity too. I see that storyboard that is taking over my PowerPoint, which I suppose it will do anyway. And this was a lot of fun looking for all of these things. And I used the skills that I had developed in the knowledge that I had developed in the first week of making our own board games with tools for educators. And so I had fun looking for the songs, also the action songs that could be used. The last week we were doing our low resource projects, and so I used cardboard and pegs to make little sign holders or photo holders. So I would like to thank the organizers, the moderators, and the participants for re-energizing me with all of your new ideas and the fact that you were so willing to share everything. So thank you, and I hope to see you again next year.